Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to the Uber driver app. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Uber driver app. Go ahead and download or update it from the App Store or Google Play if needed. Once the app is updated, open it. You'll see the login options on the home screen. You can log in manually by entering your email or phone number at the top and clicking continue. You'll receive a 4-digit verification code in your email or associated account. Sometimes check the spam folder. Enter the code and tap next to access your account. Alternatively, you can use the continue with Apple or continue with Google option. This logs you in directly with your Apple or Google account. No extra verification needed. And that's it. You're now signed in to the Uber driver app. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips.